Hello, Hardreset here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and failures with your Claude app Anthropic on the iOS. So first what you want to do is check up for the update. So you go to the App Store, you just Claude Anthropic Cloud. We got our app, and you need to see if you have the newest version like me, but if not, you need to update bar is always right there when I have the open. After update should be everything alright, but if it's not and you still have some issues and failures, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first, just go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, find your Cloud app right here, and just set every settings on default, like your Siri, and search everything on. After you check your default, after you set the default settings, the last way is just take your Cloud app, remove the app, uninstall and uninstall, and go back to the App Store and just reinstall the app. After you reinstall the app, everything should be alright. And if the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.